Alright, today we're going to see if we can improve the function of this Harbor Freight press. If you have one of these, they work pretty well, but you have to take the handle, when you're pumping it, and put it down here and turn it to release it. So if you're trying to really fine-tune something, trying to press a bushing in and out, that can be a pain in the butt. So let's see if we can make this setup a little bit better. Alright, I went out and bought this handle. This thing is from Swag Off-Road. Now, I bought it, they didn't send it to me or anything. There's the part number right there if you can read it. And let's pop it open, see what we got. There you can see that's what it looks like. Solid piece of metal. Very nice, smooth. There's no rough edges on there. And you can see, well, maybe you can't see, there's a hole right there. So we should be able to just pop that pin out. Then this will slide over it in its place. And then we just put the pin back in. We'll see how it works. Alright, I just tapped it with a hammer. And you can see there's the pin. Maybe you can't see it. That's what it looks like. It looks like it feels like it's slightly tapered. There was one side shorter than the other, so I just tapped on the shorter side and it just came right out like butter. So let's see if we can get this handle installed. Alright, there you can see I got it installed. I just tapped that pin in with a center punch. And if you notice, you can see I lifted a little bit shorter on one end than the other, just like they did from the factory. So pretty easy install. You can see we can close it and open it very easily. And it's slightly loose. If you can see, there's a tiny bit of play in that handle, but I mean, nothing to worry about. It's not like it's a press fit or anything. So let's check it out, see how it works. Okay, you can see we got it down a ways. Now we can just turn the handle, and if we needed to adjust it, we can adjust it and then tighten it. And then we can go back. So yeah, that makes it nice and convenient. I think it was like $15. I know people have made their own from metal, milled them out. But if you don't have a machine and the time and energy to do that, for $15, this is a pretty nice upgrade to a Harbor Freight press. And although this is the 12-ton model, I believe this will work for the 20-ton model as well, as long as it has that pin like that. Well, there you go. Hope you enjoyed this little video on this press upgrade. Pretty easy to do, pretty inexpensive. And as always, hey, if the video helped you out or you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.